Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber in case you're new here. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, comment down below what you'd like to see. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video for the Brother SE1900. I started dabbling a little bit in the t-shirt world when I found out that I was pregnant because I was just thinking, what am I going to be able to do from home while I'm home with the baby? So if you want to know what comes in this, you want to know a little bit more about the machine and kind of see the first embroidery bit that I'm going to be doing, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the box. It's pretty big, but yeah, I'm just going to open it. Alright, so one of the things that is in the top is just a peddler thingy for, I think that's what it's called, I don't know, the foot thing for sewing. And then I have okay, I think this is what the thread goes on. I don't know why it wouldn't be like in there. Maybe it's an extra one? I don't know. Then we have a power cord. And then I have this little white kit thing. Let's see what's in here. Don't know. Pre-wound bobbins. So this is for bobbins. I have absolutely no idea what this tool is. For cleaning. I saw in videos that people put this around the thread to like protect it or keep it like going smoothly. I don't know what this is. I'm assuming it's a tool for the machine. These are some needles. Nice. Oh, it comes with little scissors. Although they are straight, they're not curved. Some more needles. And then a few other tools that I really just don't know what they are for. So it comes with the the manual, and it has a French version and it looks like a Spanish version, which is nice. Granted, I'll only need the English, but I don't think that I'm really going to use stuff like this, but you know, you never know. I think I need to turn this on its side to get it out. I did not think this through. Like 7 months pregnant. Oh, that's not bad. I just don't know what's in here. Heavy. I wonder how many pounds it is. That's fine. I don't know what you are at all. No idea what this is. I don't recall seeing this in any of the videos. Let's see what's in this box. This wasn't very heavy, so I don't know what's going to be in here. Oh, okay. Yeah. So this has the, oh my god, I know what this is called. But I can't think of what it's called right now. And that's on Pregnancy Brain. But it's basically like the outline for the embroidery. Yeah, so this is the piece that goes on the end of the machine that you hook the hoop. That's the name. The hoop through, and that kind of lets you know like what you can embroider. And this machine, I got it because it was the 5x7, so it'll go a little bit bigger than the 4x4. Just because with the t-shirt designs, I don't want to be limited to smaller designs. If I want to have like a larger design, I want to be able to do it. So hopefully I will. Alright, and then it comes with some thread, and this is the Brother thread, and it's polyester embroidery bobbin thread. And then I don't know what this is. Looks like, I think this is for the bobbin. And I think I'm gonna sit down now. Yeah. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the embroidery piece off, which I'll probably just keep this like always connected, because I think there's no reason for it to not be connected for me. Okay, so the first thing I actually have to do is take off all these blue things. Oh, cool, a bunch of stuff that I have no idea what it is. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. There was a little latch you had to turn on the side to open the fuse plug-in for the embroidery. And then I'm gonna plug it in and just kind of see what happens. Yes. So I wanted to take you guys with me on my first time embroidering something. I think it goes like this. And you don't want it to be too tight, but you want it to be tight. And then you just kind of put this in here, like so. And you just push it down. Oops. You just push it down over here. Oh, okay. And then you tighten it here. So this is going to get tightened. Okay. You want it to be tight, but like not too tight, so I hope that that's okay. And I'm not going to use a stabilizer because that stuff isn't cheap. So this is just kind of going to be like a practice. I hope I don't have to use a stabilizer for practice, but we'll see. So then, okay, so I just typed in SD because SD bestie, why not? I'm gonna hit set, and it's actually pretty small, so I think I'm gonna rotate it that way, just so I can put it at the top. And I'm gonna hit OK. And this font just came with this, so I don't even know how this is gonna work. So who knows what's really going on. I'm just gonna put this little hoopy thing. Is that as high up as that goes? I'm gonna push it through like that. And then I'm gonna hook this into there. I think that's how it goes. 1 minute. Oh my god, it turned green. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna hit the green button. Uh-oh. I think I should have made it tighter. Oh no! Stabilizer. Actually, I'm just gonna let it run its course and see what. I know that that's not good. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop it right now because this is not good. It said it was done. Should I scissor it? Oh my. So this is my, so this is the first masterpiece. What the fuck did I do wrong? So right now I have no idea what I'm doing wrong. I think that this is like too flimsy. So I bought some stabilizers on Amazon. So I'll be back in a few days to kind of figure out what is happening. I have all the videos I've watched. Granted, I've watched people who've been doing it for a while. I don't know if they ever experienced this in the beginning, but like I have the stabilizer on, but I think it's just like, I don't know. I have no idea. We'll see. But I am like getting really tired. I'm gonna go show my mom all my hard work and she's gonna laugh at me, but I'm gonna just kind of tidy up a little bit. And definitely gonna have to get something for like the thread because it's like loose everywhere. I'm just glad I didn't put it on a t-shirt because I would have been pissed. But you want to see how my first embroidery went?
Huh?
Come here and see how my first embroidery went.
Oh, you did one?
Mm-hmm.
What?
Do you think it went really good or really bad?
I think really bad. Let me see.
I don't know what I did wrong. Okay. Okay, so the very first one, supposed to be the word SD, but it was outlined.
That ain't nothing.
Exactly. Second one. Okay. This was the word high.
Like H-I?
H-I.
No.
Last one. Okay. That was a heart.
No.
You know, improvement.
It's
Improvement.
half circle.
Yeah.
Half
I don't know what the
zigzag.
fuck I did wrong. It kept on like bubbling up, so it wasn't tight enough, I think. But I'm too tired to mess with it. Started from the bottom. But you gotta start from somewhere. But I'm really tired, so I'm gonna shower, get all this makeup off my face, and I will upload this video when I figure out what in the world happened. I'll still put some of the beginning stages though, just because it's pretty funny because it was so terrible. Alright, but you guys have a lovely night. Yesterday I was really frustrated because this came out so terribly. I watched a YouTube video and I realized that I didn't have the embroidery connection on. It was just like the sewing machine one. So it's fine, everything's fine. Got through it. And I also saw that you're supposed to like heat press the stabilizer to this. I read that in the directions today. I did a little bit of reading. So I'm gonna do that and see if it makes a difference on my scrap piece. So next thing I'm gonna do is hoop it. Does that make it easier? I feel like I'm struggling. I saw someone say that they go from like the back to the front, so I'm gonna try that. That's pretty easy. And then you're just gonna hoop it right here on these little latches. And see what happens. just gonna do Eros's name on this little thing because it's the first success, so there. And then I'm gonna hit this button. And this says it'll take 2 minutes. Perfect. Okay, so this is such improvement since yesterday. And like, if you, like, look at it. Oh, like, can we just? I'm so happy.